How to transform the way you think about money. Most people think financial success is about working more, working harder, saving more, or getting that next big break. But true financial freedom doesn't start with your income. It starts with your mindset. If you've ever felt stuck, saving out of fear, spending with guilt, or believing wealth is something other people achieve, you're not alone. These patterns are deeply rooted in how we were taught to think about money. Maybe you heard that money is hard to earn, that wanting more is selfish, or that security means never taking risks. Over time, those beliefs shape how we act, and they quietly limit what we allow ourselves to achieve. In Money Mindset Makeover, author Hina Sarwar shows how to uncover those hidden beliefs and replace them with powerful new thoughts that attract growth, confidence, and abundance. This book isn't about complicated financial theories or budgets. It's about understanding the emotional side of money, the habits, fears, and mindset that drive your financial behavior every single day. Inside the book, you'll discover how to identify limiting money beliefs, and how to shift from scarcity thinking to abundance thinking. You'll learn how to build a mindset that focuses on opportunities instead of obstacles, and confidence instead of fear. You'll explore daily practices that help you stay focused on growth, clarity, and long-term success. And you'll see how to align your goals and actions with a new level of financial confidence. What makes Money Mindset Makeover so powerful is its simplicity. It connects mindset and money in a way that feels practical and real, no fluff, no jargon, just clear steps that anyone can follow. Whether you're building a business, managing your finances, or just ready to stop feeling stressed about money, this book gives you a fresh perspective and tools you can use immediately. Because financial freedom doesn't begin with a bigger paycheck, it begins with a stronger mindset. You'll find the link to Money Mindset Makeover in the video description below. Change your beliefs. Change your mindset. And start building the financial future you truly deserve.